Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the inside scoop on the latest beauty innovations. Today, we're exploring something that could completely transform your dental care routine. Introducing the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flossers WP-663 and WP-660. If you've been on the hunt for a more effective and comfortable alternative to traditional flossing, this product might just be the answer. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest review on the latest beauty and wellness products. The Waterpik Aquarius Water Flossers are designed for those who want to step up their oral hygiene game. This set includes 2 water flossers, offering a range of settings that allow for a fully customizable clean. Both models come with 10 pressure settings, ranging from 10 to 100 psi, so you can tailor the intensity based on your needs. Plus, they come with 14 different flossing tips, great for families or anyone who shares their dental tools. But it's not just about the specs. This product is clinically proven to remove up to 99.9% of plaque and is 50% more effective than traditional flossing when it comes to improving gum health. So if you're someone who struggles with bleeding gums or just wants to maintain a healthier smile, this is something you'll want to keep listening to. I've had the chance to test the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flossers for the past few weeks, and I'm ready to share my experience. Let's start with how they feel during use. The pressure settings are incredibly versatile. Whether you prefer a gentle, soothing clean or a more powerful jet of water to remove plaque, you can adjust it to your liking. For me, the higher pressure settings were great for a deeper clean, but I also love the massage mode, which is perfect for soothing gums. It's like getting a mini gum massage while cleaning. How cool is that? One thing I appreciate about these flossers is how easy they are to incorporate into a routine. Unlike traditional flossing, there's no twisting and turning or worrying about breaking a string. You simply point and press, and the water jet does the rest. I found it to be a lot more comfortable, and I noticed a significant improvement in my gum health after just a few uses. It's definitely gentler on my gums compared to traditional flossing, and I didn't experience any bleeding, which is a huge win for me. The 22 ounces water reservoir is another feature that sets these models apart. It provides up to 90 seconds of flossing time, which is more than enough for a thorough clean. Plus, the built-in timer and pacer help ensure you're flossing for the recommended amount of time. No more guessing when you're done. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the customization options with 10 pressure settings are fantastic, and the multiple tips make it ideal for different users. The reservoir size is just right, not too big, but also not too small, so you don't have to refill it constantly. And the fact that it's clinically proven to improve gum health, that's a big deal in my book. On the downside, I did notice that the unit can be a bit bulky, especially if you're short on bathroom counter space. It's not something you can easily stash away when you're done, so you'll need a dedicated spot for it. Additionally, the noise level can be a bit loud, especially on the higher settings. So keep that in mind if you're someone who likes a quieter experience. So, is the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flossers WP-663 and WP-660 worth it? In my opinion, yes. If you're looking for a more effective, comfortable, and customizable alternative to traditional flossing, this is a great investment. The price point is definitely higher than traditional floss, but the benefits, especially when it comes to gum health, make it worth it. Plus, with the included warranty and customer service support, you're getting peace of mind as well. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As far as customer support goes, Waterpik has a reputation for excellent service. If you ever need assistance, their Colorado-based team is there to help. I haven't had to contact them personally, but it's always reassuring to know that you have that support available. While the Waterpik Aquarius is a top contender in the water flosser market, you might also want to explore other options if the price feels too high. Brands like Philips Sonicare and Oral-B offer similar devices at a slightly lower price point. However, if you want something with a little more customization and clinical effectiveness, the Waterpik might be the way to go. In conclusion, the Waterpik Aquarius water flossers are a solid investment for anyone looking to improve their oral hygiene routine. They're user-friendly, effective, and backed by a reputable brand. Whether you're dealing with gum issues or simply want a more efficient flossing routine, this product delivers. I highly recommend it, especially if you're serious about taking care of your gums and teeth. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And remember, stay beautiful inside and out.